Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to solve Netflix Error U7111-5070. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So this problem you are facing is due to the age verification error. In order to fix that, simply go to netflix.com/verifyage. Now let's just go to the web browser. I'm using Brave web browser because it is one of the most reliable one. Now let's simply go to www.netflix.com/verify age. Now simply just search for it, and now you will be sent to a login page. Now what you have to do is simply log into this Netflix account what you are using, and after logging in you have to verify your age, and after verifying your age your problem should be fixed. And lastly, if you haven't updated your app, simply go to the Play Store or the App Store and simply go to search and then search for Netflix, and then go to Netflix, and as you can see there is an update option. Simply tap on update and you'll be good to go. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please feel free to comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.